What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you could go out and make more money in 2022. Now, this is going to be with a lot of different strategies, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's buying and reselling. So if this is something that you want to see and you're somebody who wants to start generating revenue on their own and wants to start making more money in 2022, then this video is for you. And I mean, who would not want to make more money, right? So definitely watch this video till the very end. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to start off with stating the obvious. The way that the market is moving, everything is turning digital, everything is turning e-commerce, everything is going online, social media. No matter what you say, everything is turning digital, especially nowadays, right? You even have the opportunity to go ahead and buy land, buy digital property, buy digital assets like NFTs, this whole metaverse craze, and all these things are going on right now. So you guys really have the opportunity to go out and start generating revenue online. If you don't build up a second income stream for yourself, or a third income stream, or even a first income stream online for yourselves, I don't know what you're doing. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and just talk about buying and reselling. Since everything is moving e-commerce and everything is going online, I bet you guys are aware that a whole bunch of people actually went out and generated a whole bunch of revenue drop shipping, a whole bunch of revenue using Amazon FBA. And this gives you guys the opportunity to step into this market, because even to this day, people are still scared to go step foot into a Walmart, a Winners, a Target, a TJ Maxx, whatever store you guys want to name. People are still afraid to go out in public, right? So this gives you the opportunity to go in store, essentially purchase products, resell them on eBay, resell them on Amazon, and all these platforms where people are able to actually receive their products right at their doorstep. If you think about it from the standpoint where it might be $20 in store, but you're the only person listing this product on eBay, or the only person listing this product on Amazon, I mean, these people don't even know how much it's selling for in store, right? So literally buying and reselling right off the bat, a very good way to get started with things. Now, this is obviously not for people who are afraid to go step in store, but definitely something that could be very sustainable, especially in 2022, just because everything is moving e-commerce based. You can be that one person to essentially just go out there and buy these products on hand and be the person to, you know, go complete a delivery at somebody's doorstep. Even if you were to sell a product on Kijiji and you wanted to go drop it off at somebody's doorstep, you could do that. In Canada, you know, we take e-transfers. In the US, I believe you guys take Zelle. Everybody has PayPal. So you could even be doing your own deliveries. People are also willing to pay a little bit extra money, literally just to have things delivered at their doorstep. People are especially lazy nowadays, so take that into account. Now, we're moving into the summer season, so this gives you the opportunity for you guys to maybe go ahead and buy and resell bikes, which is something that I would maybe do in one of my later videos. So if that's something that you guys want to see, you want to see me start up some sort of reselling business, I mean, leave a comment down below, smash the like button, and I mean, we could maybe do a series. I was thinking about a $0 to $10,000 in profit series, but yeah, I don't want to get off track too much, but essentially buy and resell however you want to do it, whether you're buying online and you're reselling online, or you're buying in store and you're reselling online. Definitely consider looking into these sorts of investments, just because people are super lazy. But we'll go ahead and move on to the next section of the video. So the next thing that I'm actually going to be talking about is play to earn, P2E. For those of you who are familiar with the crypto space, I'm not too big into crypto. Obviously, I do have some investments in crypto, and this is definitely something that I do want to explore a little bit further this year, is play to earn games. So there's a whole bunch of games, for those of you who don't know, that you could go out and actually play these games and get paid out in crypto. Now, this is real money that you could sell and actually earn real money with. This isn't coins that just give you in-game, you know, buying capabilities, but definitely play to earn games. I believe I talked about it in one of my videos. I'm not sure. Well, maybe I didn't even release that video yet. But there's a game called Crabata, if I'm not mistaken. This game is essentially a game where you purchase a whole bunch of crabs. Now, these crabs go ahead and mine for you. I don't know exactly all of the specifics when it comes to this game, so I'm definitely going to be looking into this a little bit more, but I am aware of a couple people making a couple $1,000s a day passively, literally just having their crabs active. The cool thing with this is that some of these crabs, at least from my understanding, some of these crabs are very expensive, right? So the average person isn't actually capable of going out and purchasing some of these, which gives you the opportunity as a crab owner to go ahead and rent them out to people to play the game, and then they will essentially be splitting profits with you. So play to earn games are another big place to look at, and another really big thing that I honestly see growing, at least within 2022. Facebook literally just changed to Meta not too long ago, right? So you could kind of think about the space in the market for play to earn games and the room that these games actually have to grow. So definitely take a look into play to earn games. Yeah, crypto in general, honestly. Now, moving into the last section of the video, I'm gonna be talking about you guys providing services. Now, I did post something about drop servicing. It should be somewhere on my channel. We'll put a picture up right here. So check this video out because it's gonna be telling you guys exactly how you could go out and actually sell services that you're not necessarily capable of performing on your own, but high ticket services, high income skills are services that you can go ahead and start a social media agency around, or even some sort of just e-commerce based agency, whether it's video editing, web development, media buying, whatever it is. Definitely look into selling high ticket services. Reason being, a lot of new agencies and a lot of new e-commerce based companies are coming out, and it's actually quite difficult for some of these people to find the right staff to put on their payroll, which is why there's an opportunity in the market for you to start a business and essentially provide services to another business, which is called B2B. So definitely look into these sorts of e-commerce based services that you could perform for other agencies and multiple people. So definitely look into drop servicing because I do see a whole bunch of scalability within this niche. Not too many people have actually been doing this at high scale just because it revolves around having a large staff if you want to essentially scale this business. So people aren't actually willing to put in the work to do this. So, which is why, I mean, if you're not a lazy person, you can definitely go out and essentially start a drop servicing business. So definitely check that video out on my channel, how to start a drop servicing business, because obviously providing high income skills means high ticket sales that you can provide to high ticket clients, right? So definitely explore that opportunity within this market. And this is somewhere where I'm definitely going to be scaling out and putting a little bit more eggs into that basket as we move forward in 2022, because it's super easy to go out and start e-commerce websites, e-commerce stores, and it's not as easy to go ahead and start a service-based business. With that being said, you guys know exactly how to go out and start generating more revenue in 2022 and start making more money in 2022. If these are ventures that you see yourself getting started with, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Smash that like button, and without wasting any more time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.